everybody's got a horror story about construction. We don't have one because there isn't one. The primary reason for our remodel was to enable Dad to age in place here in the home. We lost my mom 2.5 years ago, and she was here in the house, and we discovered that there are a lot of choke points in the space, or were a lot of choke points. Movement was difficult. Dad was pretty adamant that he wanted to stay here, and my sister and I said, well, that's great, then we have some rules. And the rules were really about greater accessibility for him as he ages. We chose Iron Brothers to work with us again. For me, it was a complete no-brainer. They had done work with Dad and Mom before when they redesigned their deck and put in some grab bars in the bathrooms, and had a really, really good experience. And just very familial feeling, and I just knew that they were top shelf, and it takes a lot to please an architect. And so if you have an architect that says these are really good contractors, you pay attention.
We were thrilled when David and Andrea contacted us to remodel their main floor of their house as well as the basement bathroom. David's an architect, so he loves details, and we love details. This project involved a main floor remodel. Every room on this floor got touched, whether it's painting and flooring and surfaces, or a brand new kitchen remodel, walls opening up. Some surprises we found when we opened up and gutted the kitchen, we were able to lift the ceiling about 12 inches. I forget exactly how much, but quite a bit to get a lot more volume in here, which was a beautiful surprise. Another surprise was in the guest room. We took these tiles off the ceiling and found some beautiful wood underneath, so we were able to refinish that and bring a little more character back to this over 100-year-old house.
David and Sharon have lived in this home and raised children in this home, and they trusted Iron Brothers Construction to take what they needed and meld it with the original character of the house, as well as work with not just the homeowner, but his family, and incorporate what is helpful for the family as it becomes a generational passing of the home.
It feels right. It feels like it should have always been this way. And so, yes, we've got a new modern kitchen, but it doesn't feel out of place with the rest of the house.
Would choose them because of the proximity, convenience, and honesty. And they've shown that through 6 months, 7 months of the work.
When you pay for top-notch service, you get top-notch results.
I'm still looking at how I can skateboard down the stairs.